pull on my locks and see if I don't scream poetry from the back door of a dreaded past. Scream your name like it's in all caps. Eyes could read now, boss. Turn you on like sunlight lit the moon. Got you eating my tea with a legendary spoon. Wash it down with a tall glass of proof. Hope you got room. To part ebon thighs to melt stars from the sky. Come where master has come before. To loosen the shackles of nevermore. Take the Dutch and gut his core. Then refill him with seasoning celestial enough to toast to the tea of life. Free me in your high. Escaping the belly of the creature that rides ties. Take hold of my hips. Let the arts take you back to Ghanaian cliffs. Act on thoughts of taking cuffs to fists. Fight for freedom to be released from lips. Pull on my locks and see if I don't scream hieroglyphs that awaken your mummy. Buried in the interlude of my womb. The garden is no longer closed to you. Eat of the fruit. I say the garden is no longer closed to you. I need to feel you in my ribs. Create me to love you again. Thought me to arise from your chiseled pen. Let me scream your divine trinity into the perfect 10. Never feeling lonely in your solitude again. Just pull on your locks. Break the lust rock. Drench the past to be dreaded no more. The dove is at the back door. I could rest in peace now. Amor. Collapse to my side and sigh. You must live to die. Darkness must exist to light, so let there be. Then, and only then, can I understand why you miss me. Peace.